Oh, hey then, motherfuckers. So cryptocurrency, stonks and investments in 2021 is, it can be quite tough, to be honest with you. And I'm going to help you understand some cryptocurrency staking. People have asked me about it, so I thought I'd just do a video. I'm going to show you what it looks like, how it works, and how you can do it. So stick around to the end. Just to let you know, before we get into this video, this is not financial advice. Please don't take this as gospel or anything like that. Do your own research. I'm just giving you the information and tools to do your own research and to make better investment decisions. So on to the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Matt and this is the Coin Pursuit, the pursuit to financial freedom. And I see that 95% of you are not subscribed to the channel. And why is that? Let me know in the comments below. Let's change that. So first of all, cryptocurrency staking. Now, what is it? Let's get a clear definition from Trust Wallet. So I'm going to read this directly from my screen and it will be on your screen. So cryptocurrency staking refers to locking up a digital asset to act as a validator in a decentralized crypto network to ensure integrity, security, and continuity of the network. As an incentive of helping to secure the network, stakers or validators are rewarded with newly minted cryptocurrencies. Now, what does that mean? Let me break it down. We'll start by staking. Now, this means that you own the asset and you're willing to lease it or rent it out as such. And now you're probably thinking, why would I do that? What do I get? Is it good news, bad news? It's not for nothing. And what you'll usually do is lease out your crypto and you will get a percentage return on that investment. So for example, if you put $100 in, for example, you had to stake Bitcoin and they were offering you 3%, they would usually do that for 3% for the whole year and then you get that back. Make sense? So you stake $100 for a whole year, for example. You can take it out earlier, but they will give you 3% for the whole year. So you'll get $3 back in profit. Let's put that into some perspective that I gave you earlier. Cryptocurrency staking, in other words, you put in some or all of your crypto up for rent. What you do with your stake, you'll be known as a validator, and you'll be using a validator to ensure that the network integrity is keeping its security. Even more important for crypto because it's decentralized as a whole. Now we know what staking actually is and what we're doing. Let's look at some other benefits that crypto staking has for you guys. Let's be honest, crypto is very, very new and it's rapidly changing all the time. But by staking, you're actively improving the network. You're by adding new nodes. Now, I'm not going to go so technical. If you want to know more about nodes and other things like that, let me know in the comments below. I'll do more videos on that. As a whole, staking is basically adding liquidity into the whole thing and then you're getting paid as a return. Now, when I started looking into staking, I did it for the Lambo challenge with the Pancake Swap, but also I've been looking around for like a good website where I can like look at loads of different staking options and different websites and such like that. I do have one here. It's called stakingrewards.com. It'll be linked down in the description below. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but it's a good website. It has a calculator on there, so you could put in like how much you want to put in and it will give the yield, the stake percentage, all that good stuff. And yeah, if you're interested, give it a look down below. That's it in a nutshell, really. I didn't want to go too, techie with this video. I just wanted to kind of like let you guys know what staking is. It's an option to earn passive income. And there'll be a lot more content around crypto on this channel. I'm really passionate about crypto, as you can tell. So please hit that subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up. And thank you for watching this video. Everyone stay safe, take care, cheers.